production of air conditioner in Malaysia is increased over past few years. From the statistics portal updated on May 2017, in 2016, approximately 2.68 million air conditioner was produced in Malaysia compared to 2.48 million in 2015. AC indoor unit has an evaporator coil that eliminates heat and moisture from the air handling unit that moves air through the air ducts and air filters as air moves along the air conditioning system. Filters trap and hold many types of particulates and contaminants including dust and dirt, pollen, mold and mold spores, fibers and lint, metal, plaster or wood particles, hair and animal fur, bacteria and microorganisms that will exert influence on health and comfort. The AC filters must be routinely replaced or cleaned because it is the most important maintenance task to ensure the efficiency of the AC. If the AC filter becomes dirty and clogged, it can cause the air ducts in the home and millions of unwanted airborne particles may be breathed inside the home. The problem statement makes an idea of developed the C-Sense system is the right solution to solve the problems. It is expected that the system can automatically clean the AC as the conventional procedure. The illustration of a dust level sensing system for the self-cleaning AC filter. The system consists of two IR sensor, a microcontroller Arduino, a DC motor with a belt, two limit switch, vacuum, and storage chamber. When both IR sensor detected the dust, the DC motor automatically triggered and simultaneously the brush is moved from left to right using belt and pulley system. The vacuum sucks the dust into the storage chamber and at the same time, the vacuum hit the switch limit 2 at the end of left AC. Then, the DC motor will change the direction of the brush to the right until the vacuum hit the limit switch 1. This will happen for 2 cycles for the complete system, and at the end of the system, the brush will stop at the initial position which is at the right of AC.